Hello everybody, welcome back to this video, and we are going to add FSR 3 DLSS 4.5 DLSS 4 to Euro Truck Simulator 2, even American Truck Simulator. So the method is the same for both games. Let's get started. So for this tutorial we need those two files. How to download the files? It's so easy. In our website you will find a post. The link is in the description, and you download the first file, Nodix Pack. The second one, you are going to find it in Snowymoon website. Thank you for this mod, Snowymoon. So you go to Euro Truck Simulator or American Truck Simulator, then go to temporal anti-aliasing v10, then go down and download this wherever the version you will find. It's so easy, as you can see, to download. Now what you have to do is extracting this. Go to the game main folder, go to bin WinX64, then here, let's open it side by side, go here and copy those two. For users from China, I think you have to get this and paste it here. Second thing, you have to go to Nodix Pack, extract this, and here copy those. After that, go to setup, Windows, and here go with winmm.dll, so press 2, then enter. Choose wherever your graphics card, AMD or NVIDIA. For me, I will go with NVIDIA. I have 3060, then enter. Now what you have to do, launch your game, and I will show you what you have to do. Okay, to open Snowymoon menu, you have to press Ctrl P or the End key in your keyboard, and here go enable DLSS. Here it doesn't matter because we are going to change this with OptiScaler, FXAA. You can enable this sharpness. You can override or change settings here. It's so easy. Let's close this. If you press in the insert key in your keyboard, OptiScaler menu will be opened. Here, render presets override. You can check this. You have to restart the game to override your Upscaler and change the preset, and you can use FSR for AMD GPUs. Of course, FSR 3, as you can see, FSR 3 is working, but as you know, DLSS is the best option. Now I will restart the game and show you the settings. And just don't forget, make sure to save, as you can see here, make sure to save before you restart the game. Nice. Now we press insert key again, and we can override our DLSS. You can use DLSS 4 to get more performance. And if you use presets M, it will be sharper with less frames. You can use presets L wherever you prefer. And if you want to control the upscaling, you can control this from here. As you can see, it's working. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.